Welcome to Unitrade Houseware and our team. Unitrade Houseware is located at number 7 Soi Phet Kasem 31/4 at the district of Bang Hwa, Pasicharan area, Bangkok. Under in operation of Mr. Virod Lertrat. Unitrade Houseware was found and established on May in year 2000. Capital of investment of 2 million baht in the business line of buying agent and exporter with 6 employees. Our main facility profile are houseware products. Unitrade Houseware is located on 450 square meters area. Our annual sale in 14 million baht in worldwide market with 100% of domestic raw material. To introduce our team, which lead by Mr. Virod Lertrat as CEO of our company, we are proudly to begin with Ms. Supawadi Sripatum Sawat, working in position of purchasing and quality control. Ms. Anjali Porn Sopon Jaranpong as our product development. Ms. Nirada Raktakul Mongkon as an accountant. Ms. Arawan Sutiwong as an administration and stock control. Ms. Nokpon Gandam as caretaker. As our developing process, after we receive details from customers such as samples, prototypes, drawing, and idea price, we will set up a meeting to brief in the whole details. We are proudly to present our process of work as team in Unitrade Houseware. In our product developing process, we will receive details from customers such as drawing, photos, samples, prototype, dimension, and ideas price. These details are very important in order to let us develop the products with our source, supplier, and factories. After developing according to the details from customer, we will come up with the price to get acceptance by customer. Then, we will continue by making sample, then the sample will be sent to our customer for approval. After get confirmation and approval of the sample, we will receive PO documents. These slides show inspection and quality control process, which will be divided in 2 steps, inline inspecting and final inspecting. Inline inspecting we'll do during the production in order to control the production line of each product. For final inspecting, we'll do before shipping the products 3 to 4 days. After shipping date, our purchasing department will send shipment information to the customer, composing with invoice, packing list, bill of lading, Form A, and inspection report. We develop all kinds of product according to our customer need, including solving problems which might occur during producing. These are our recently developed items: red pickup, light runner in new leather, gastro cutting board in geometry wood and diptero wood, buttons and cufflinks. Raw material sourcing for accessory contains with hang tag, paper tag and presentation, and barcode. We have many sources of suppliers, such as wood factory, textile, metal factories, and many more. In manufacturing of wood product, we control the quality of production of each items. This is family shares items in natural color and black color, coloring and coating steps, stability test, wood pattern selecting, wood surface control. Our quality controlling. In wood products, we will control even spot or unpreferred mark, such as dark spot in wood uniform, missing painted area, and scratches. In metal work, we control brass color, shining, scratches, and curving. We put our interest in each step, even stock controlling or forwarder consolidation. Importance documentation for export steps contains with forwarder booking, invoice, packing list, certificate of inspection, bill of lading, Form A, and certificate of origin. accounting department, we're responsible for invoice, debit and credit, tax and duty. We will take you to continue with our ceramic process. Our good source of ceramic products is at Ratchaburi province called Crown Ceramic. Crown Ceramic is specialized in all kinds of ceramic with professional steps in working quality products. Starting with casting process. Casting process is to build up the shape of the product. High pressure casting is another way of shaping up the clay. Isostatic press process is another way of shaping up the clay by pressing machine. Jiggle machine is a quick movement machine to shape up the clay. After shape up the clay, we'll continue with biscuit kiln process. What you are seeing now is a biscuit firing machine. It is a machine to fire the clay after shape up. After firing the clay will pass through the glazing department and firing one more time in order to get the glaze to attach on the product firmly. In decal process, we'll use decal sticker, soak in water, and place on the product. After placing the sticker, the worker will carefully press out the air to avoid bubble on the decal decorate. After the decal is attached on the product, all the decal will pass to firing process one more time. In quality control of ceramic, this slide shows about cleaning the unwanted clay out of the products. This will make the ceramic nice and clear. Ceramic raw material of Crown Factory based on 5 different materials: China clay, ball clay, feldspar, quartz and alumina. Crown has now come up with new process of decal: metallic decal, double decal with beads decal, dissolving decal. Here is our prospect project, a coconut shell combining mug. Let's continue with wood process. Our raw material of wood contain with rubber wood, Janjari wood, diptera wood and teak wood, along with imported wood, which are beech and oak. One of our best supplier in wood material is Podin Factory, located at Rayong province. And we also have Thai Wood Factory and KT Thai Factory. All of Wood Factory as our supplier has quality machine and quality labor. These slides show how the family share items was carefully assembled by hand and by machine in order to double the strong in usage. Plating process is one of the coloring process of our wood items. Measuring to correcting the size of each items was done by professional, as well as closure and packing step. Next is our fabric printing process. We'll lead you to see the step of preparing the fabric to the fabric machine. Flat printing process and rotary process will be done by high quality machine and all professional workers. In inspecting our fabric items, also done by high quality machine in order to get clean and neat sheet of fabric. Inspecting process. We'll start with inline inspecting. Inline inspecting gives us chances to see how the items are done and to make sure that each items are carefully done under strict instruction. Final inspection is to check all the products, also packaging and number of each cartons. Traditional textile inspection. We will check the correction of each item such as details of main mark on the carton box, quality of carton box, quality of packaging, details of barcode, position of other additional details. Stripe inspecting by sensor machine give us correct and exact result to find error stripes. Even export cartons and inner boxes are needed to be carefully inspected. Inner box contains important details such as logo, main mark and side mark. The accessory also needs to be inspected to see how the details and the goods or the merchandise are placed in the box. Ceramic inspection process contains with 5 points of inspection. Wrapping to scan for incorrect shape of the products. Surface area to scan for smoothness and uneven surface of the product. Pinholes, color spots, and correct weight of the product. Wood inspection process will also begin with carton box inspecting to check for the correct details of exporting box. Inner box inspecting is to check the insert details such as barcode, logo, wrapping, and the quality of the product. Unitrade Houseware is very proud to be at your service always.